On Tuesday, 34-year-old Kenny Paul was arraigned before Chief Magistrate Anne McLennan for the indictable charge of wounding which was committed against Paul Troy with intent to commit murder. It is alleged that on May 17 at Malibunta Baghdad Madia, he wounded Troy with the intent to commit murder. Police prosecutor Gordon Mansfield objected to bail on the grounds that the virtual complainant is hospitalized and there is no report on his present condition. The facts presented by police prosecutor Mansfield stated that the accused and the virtual complainant were employed at a set operation where they had a misunderstanding, during which the defendant pulled out a cutlass and chopped the virtual complainant several times towards his left side face and hand. Paul was rushed to the Mahdia Regional Hospital, after which he was transferred to the Georgetown Public Hospital. Paul was remanded and the magistrate recommended counseling for him. The matter was adjourned until July 14 at the Georgetown Magistrate Court. Meanwhile, in another case heard before the court, 40-year-old chef Tricia Haynes was arraigned before Chief Magistrate Anne McLennan for the charge of having in her possession 576 grams of cannabis for the purpose of trafficking. Haynes was represented by attorney at law Trenton Lake, who stated in his application for a reasonable bail that on the day in question, his client was among several passengers in a speedboat at the Bartica Stelling, where several persons with gift bags into their possession were taken to the Bartica police station, and the bag, which was pointed out as the defendant's own, contained suspected narcotics. The defendant denied the bag was hers. The facts of the case presented by police prosecutor Gordon Mansfield stated that around 1750 hours, acting on information, police ranks went to the Bartica ferry Stelling and conducted a search on passengers, including the defendant. Narcotics was found in her possession in a bag containing 2 parcels with seeds, leaves, and stems. The suspected narcotics was opened and weighed in the presence of the defendant. Police prosecutor Mansfield objected to bail on the grounds that the defendant provided an unreliable address to police ranks. Haynes was remanded and the matter was adjourned until June 19 at the Georgetown Magistrate Court. Reporting for AGP Nightly News, I am Dwight Ward.